Get your shop rags. They're the most durable shop rags I've ever seen. Watch this. Look at that. It's fucking durable.
Backbeat, the wood is on the street, that the fire in your heart is out.
What is up, everybody? Today I'm going to dedicate today's video to fans, and I'm going to start taking my bike apart because I'm not going to be able to ride it in the winter. I'll try to make it as exciting as possible. I haven't been doing much over the break because it's been like negative cold out. Got a little setup going on. We got the heat lamp and we got space heater pretty much aimed right on our bike, or my bike, filled with gasoline. So whatever you gotta do to stay warm, I guess. I mean, it really doesn't feel much warmer. I might take a trip to Home Depot and try to find like a space heater or something, but what we're gonna be doing today is just doing like simple stuff like cleaning up, and I'm gonna bleed the brakes because they're really not engaging too well with the cold weather, so I'm thinking the oil needs to be changed in it. And other than that, like bearings and stuff, everything's good to go. I'm just gonna take the tank off, and I might decide to take the top end out. I don't know how many hours are on it. Let me. Oh, completely new engine at 31.4 hours. And how many does this have? It has 78. And yes, I really had to grab the calculator. So it has 46 hours on the entire engine right now. I kind of want to take the cylinder off just to like check it out and see what's going on in there. I did do a pretty good job, I think, of keeping the dirt out. But it is New England. It is sandy, dusty. Every track you go to is fucking sand everywhere. Now I bought my brother a T-handle set for Christmas, and I wanted to use it, but I don't want him to get pissy about it. So I'm using my cold ass fucking T-handles right now. My fingers are frozen numb. She is dirty. That's cold. Oh shit, it's getting dirtier and dirtier the more I take shit off. You savages, like a little closer look. I mean, it's not as bad as it could be, I'm sure. I'm sure a lot of you have seen worse, but to me that's fucked. Like, look at that. The fucking sand gets everywhere. Might need some fucking purple power on this biatch in here. Shit. That ain't coming off. Ugh. Anyone who has a newer KTM, a 16 is what this is for. Hit me up. I will literally just give this to you. I do not know why it's in our garage. Yo, that is dirty. So right now we're getting ready to take the cylinder off. Check her out. Thanks to my friend Cookie, also known as Andrew, for this hose, a clamp. You guys ready for this? About to take her off. Everything is good to go. Look at Sean. It's not bad. There's a little bit of blow-by right on this side. Makes me feel a little bit better about taking it off. There we go. Give me that. So, it is not too bad, other than one really big gouge right there. It's very noticeable by the camera. A little bit of blow-by right there. I have not taken a look at the cylinder yet. So I am going to head to Kevin's Cycle right now, see if they have a top end for me, which I doubt, so I'll probably have to order one. Gonna buy some cleaning supplies, and we're pretty much good. I just gotta get this fucking glue out of here. It's not literally glue, but like, look at this shit. I don't even want to touch it. Like, it's dirt that's like sticking together. It's nasty. Ugh. Oh fuck, that was the rag I was using to clean it. Oh yeah, look at this. It's like a little poop. Like, this is what happens when fucking oil mixes with dirt. Like, I'm literally picking up a turd right now. Welcome to Kevin's Cycles. Another mint day. Hello, Sean.
Alright, I gotta run.
What up?
What up?
I need a top end for a 2013 250SX.
We don't service vintage bikes here.
Fuck you, bitch. You suck.
That's funny.
You're funny.
That's funny.
You
Funny
funny guy.
looking.
Get that special ordered in.
No, I think we have that.
Really? That would
Of course, this is Kevin's Cycle.
that would make the day.
Of course we got it in stock.
I'm doing a little Kevin Cycle advertising over here.
Nice.
She blows. Look at this. Take a little Kevin's tour. Got your bars, your grips. Dude, you got your friggin' stickers. You got sticker on and sticker off. This is sick. Tell it.
You need a top end bearing? I think you do.
I do.
You did. You done did. You need it.
You got that in stock?
I should. If I don't,
Are you that professional?
we all sorts of professional.
Special discount in Kevin's. Everything's free. Just come in here, grab everything.
Leave all your money.
Leave the wallet. This professional bagger do his job. There she blows.
Oh.
Oh, that would've been sick.
And a fumble. There you go.
Alrighty.
Have a good one.
You too.
See ya.
You grab your cup. Plastic cup, doesn't matter. Paper, whatever. Grab your oil. Bottoms up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this over here until I'm ready. Place this guy in the oil before you put it on the bike. So I'm literally going to dunk it in. It doesn't matter if oil gets everywhere. It's going to be messy no matter what. There we go. She's in. And then whatever the fuck you want to do with the extra oil that's on your hands, you go like that. Doesn't really matter. Alright, now the fun part is going to be putting the pins in.
You filming?
Yeah. Is that a problem?
As I say, you want
Once you have both wrist pins in, you really want to make sure they're in, because it will fuck up your engine if one of them falls out. And it will poke holes in it, and it fucking, oof. It is just a disaster that you don't want.